Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. In this video, we'll discuss the question answers and some definitions of the chapter Body Movements, Class 6 Ncert book, Science. So let us start the first question. But before that, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it. And please watch the video till the end, because we are going to discuss very important definitions which may come in your test, and they are not given in your back exercises. Okay, so let us start the first question. What is a ball and socket joint? In this type of joint, the ball shaped end of one bone fits into the hollow cup shaped socket of the other bone. This joint allows maximum movement in all directions. For example, joint of shoulder and hip. So in the joints of shoulder and hip, which joint is there? Ball and socket joint. Next is, which of these skull bones are movable? Skull bones are not movable, but only the lower jaw is movable, right? Only the lower jaw we can move. Next, why can our elbow not move backwards? In our elbow, hinge joint is present that allows movement of bones in one direction. So it cannot move in the other direction, it cannot move backwards. Now we'll do some important definitions. First definition is movement. The change in the position of any part of the body with respect to its axis is called movement. Next, locomotion. The movement of the whole body of an organism from one place to another is called locomotion. So there is a difference between movement and locomotion. Movement means the movement of only one part of the body, and locomotion means movement of the whole body. Next is skeleton. The framework of all the bones in our body is called the skeleton. And viewers, it is my advice not to take screenshots directly. Please listen to what I am saying. Then you can note it down, giving a pause to the video, but please don't take screenshots, otherwise you will not be able to get the correct pronunciation of the words. That is very important. Okay, so next word is joint. A place where two or more bones join is called a joint. Next definition is cartilage. The ends of bones forming a joint is lined with a layer of tough and elastic tissues called cartilage. They are not hard like bones and can be bent. So they are flexible in nature and they can be bent. They are not stiff like bones. Next, ligaments. Bones are joined by tough flexible bands of elastic tissues called ligaments. Next is tendons. The muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. Exoskeleton. The skeleton of an animal present outside its body is called exoskeleton, which is outside the body. For example, in snails, crabs, exoskeleton is present. Endoskeleton. The skeleton of an animal present inside its body is called endoskeleton. For example, in human beings, birds, fishes, etc., there is an endoskeleton. Cells. Cells are the building blocks of living organisms. Tissue. Groups of similar cells that are jointly perform a special function is called a tissue. So cell is the basic unit, it is the building block of living organisms, and many cells together they form a tissue. Next, organ. Now many tissues together they form an organ. Definition is number of tissues working together to perform the same function is called an organ. For example, heart, stomach, kidneys, liver, all these are organs. And the last definition is organ system. When many organs work together to perform one major life function, they form an organ system. For example, digestive system, urinary system, excretory system, all these are organ systems in which many organs they together work to perform an important function of the body. So that is all with this video. If you find it useful, please like it and subscribe my channel, and you can also share this video with your friends.